Hey everybody, Tad Stevens, CPEthink.com here. I'll make a quick video on how to take final exams on CPEthink.com. So under the Take Exam column, you can preview the final exam in this window, another window. You can open it as a PDF, you can have it emailed to you, and you can download it as a PDF. This will not take the exam. You cannot complete the exam on any of these icons. It's these two that you need to click to take the final exam. You can open the final exam in this window, or you can open it in another window. And that way, like I said earlier, you can have an open book exam. So for this example, we're going to open the exam in this window, and this is the final exam page. All exams are one page, and they do that so you can get through it quickly and you can see your previous answers easily. As you see here, your answers are saved automatically. You will not lose them. If you answer, we save it to the database. If you change, we save it to the database. So if your session drops in the middle of a final exam, don't worry. Just start back the final exam again, and you'll have all your answers saved. So let's say we want to do A, and you'll see it says that's just a double check to let you know that they are being saved and that the save was successful. So we've saved these 4 out of 8. Click the return to go to My Courses button. And let's say we want to go back in this final exam. And you can see it saved our 4 answers. We have 4 more to go. Once you get through, go ahead and answer these. You will click the Submit Exam for Grading. You look at that, it will tell you, I made a 38. Well, surprise, surprise, answer it the way I was answering it, no doubt. You will see here that this is your question for each, or this is the text for each question. And then you'll see for the result where it says register QAS answer will not provided until the exam passed. This is an AICPA and NASBA guideline. We have to display it this way. Really hate to do it. I think you should be able to get the ones you got wrong. But they disagree, so that's what we have to do. So you would click Return to My Courses. And you'll see here now there's a 1, an exam's taken. So you want to take the exam again. And it gives you a fresh, clean exam. If you go back to My Courses, it will show 2 because you've started the second exam. So that is how to take an exam on CPEthink.com. If you've got any questions, just open the support bubble down here at the bottom, chat if we're online, email either way, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks a lot.